This 2023 East to West Alta 2400kth is a toy hauler RV. It is located in West Palm Beach, FL 33407 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used east to west is 27 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.